Meaning of extraordinaire.
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 Extraordinaire. Extraordinaire is a French word that means extraordinary, exceptional, or remarkable. It is used to describe someone or something that goes beyond the norm or exceeds expectations. It suggests a level of excellence or skill that is rare and noteworthy. People who are extraordinaire are often recognized for their exceptional abilities or achievements in a particular field. Whether it is in sports, music, science, or art, they stand out from the crowd and inspire others with their talent and dedication. Extraordinaire represents the best of the best, those who have truly achieved greatness.